I'm having issues with the amount of time it takes to make parts. People are recommending additive manufacturing as a solution, but I don't know much about it. Can you explain it to me?
Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a technology that can manufacture parts by placing or adding material layer by layer. There are many types of additive manufacturing technology, each geared towards specific applications.
I see. And what are they?
Well, if you want to produce prototypes, I'd suggest a standard filament printer. However, for manufacturing large structures or metallic components, a printhead fastened to a robotic arm would work better.
My designers say it takes too long to communicate the design ideas, and manufacturing constraints mean that we must make compromises. Will additive manufacturing solve this?
Definitely. Additive manufacturing cuts down the time it takes to finalize and approve a new product design by producing a functional prototype to test or distribute for customer feedback. It can also solve other common challenges, such as reducing part count by redesigning the product for additive manufacturing, creating products that can't be made with other manufacturing techniques, and integrating extra functionality into a product.
Is there anything I should be aware of before moving forward with it?
Yes, I'll be honest. There are two challenges when adopting additive manufacturing. The first is having the right design and process knowledge and skills, and second is the need to adopt a new workflow that includes pre- and post-processing. See, the hype around additive manufacturing has given the impression that it's as simple as buying a machine, sending it a digital model of your part, and pressing print. In reality, it's a little more complex, and you'll need to introduce a new process. So, if you're considering additive manufacturing adoption, ask yourself these 3 questions first. 1. How does additive manufacturing fit into our business plan and strategy? 2. What applications will we use additive manufacturing for? 3. Do we have the in-house skills to get the most from it?
I think additive manufacturing is the right decision for my business. How do I go about getting started?
The good news is that you're not alone in this. Made Smarter can help. We can support you throughout this project, from understanding where the technology is best utilised to sourcing the right printer and implementing it within your organisation. Get in touch with us and we'll have a quick informal chat to discuss your next steps.